I'm Brent Baker with BOF Corporation, and we've always continued to improve our products. So we've taken VersaRack, one of our fastest growing product lines for convenience stores, and just made it better. Now we have integrated side dividers that are welded in place to ensure that you get a wider shelf frame with more merchandising space. We're the only manufacturer in the industry that only focuses on gravity flow shelving, so that's why we can maximize your merchandising space much better than others. Other companies try to partner together and mishmash their parts, so since we design our full solution from the ground up, we make sure we maximize every inch of merchandising space. This includes your shelf width, making sure your heights are dialed in, and going as deep as possible in your cooler. In addition, we are also the only manufacturer that can do a full, all-new solution or a retrofit in either glide or roller. Because we design all of our parts to fit and function properly together, that ensures that you maximize your ROI. Maximizing merchandising space is essential to support your beverage sales. So traditionally we put our L side dividers underneath the shelf frame. Now that we weld them all the way to the edge, that ensures that you have as much merchandising space as possible. With our side dividers coupled with our 1-inch upright and our 1/8-inch side dividers, this will give you the widest shelf frame on the market. Additional benefits with our fixed dividers are you get a faster installation by removing 2 steps. There's better merchandising control with our side dividers all the way out to the side. And with our new shelf frame design, it's much lighter and easier to maneuver, so your resets are faster, and you can also do your new store sets much quicker with your teams. Our fixed side dividers, combined with our other features and benefits, provide the most user-friendly shelving in the industry. With our new back bar, we have our dual glide sheet capability. So not only do we have the best glide sheet in the industry with silicone infused all the way through, and we've made it thicker. With sanitation being so important now, you can exchange those out very easily without taking any dividers or product off the shelf. We also have a huge win with our 1-inch upright. This way with 20 ounces, we go from 9 to 10 facings. So that translates into water and tea as well. So that all together can get you another 30 or 40 gain facings throughout your cooler set. We can provide our shelving for any French door width or single door width. We also can provide any shelf depth, so we always say go as deep as you can. We really try to encourage our deepest depth with this product, which is 40 inches deep, because that'll really drive your labor savings and help increase your sales. That way all your inventory is in a sellable position. With our customers testing VersaRack to pay for itself in under 1 year with our increased sales, reduced restocking labor, and improved FIFO inventory, we highly recommend that you get a meeting lined up, because the other thing we'll do is we'll also work with your installers and have a test store with you. That way we can benchmark all of your unique preferences and also get all of your distributors and your personnel trained up on how our equipment works too.